Man, kind of old to be on that planet.
Yeah. He tried. Dad, you can't be mad about everything. I know what you need to do. Pour water on them.
He make me nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
They try. Please try. I see one on his hand. Dad, stop!
Oh, be quiet.
Do that.
They out there now. Oh my goodness. They ain't got on no suits or anything. No. No. Huh? No, they're not. Yeah. It's the Tidewater Bee Association. And he was just telling Cody, thank you for not killing them. Yeah.
Here, hold it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Go get the steps, too. Here, hold the thing at the bees, and I'll go get the steps, too. Just hold it at the bees. Sorry, hold it steady.
I'm not a still person, just so you know.
Hello. They had just asked for our step stool. Like, he like, this man like 80 years old on this ladder. And he just scooped him, and then his friend looked a little younger, but not too much. Cody recording it so y'all can see it.
I'm recording it.
He recording it right now. But he was like, that is so scary. But he just standing there and the bees is just swarming. No, let me tell you what happened with that. So Anthony's stepmom texted and was like, all those bees. So I was like, yeah, we got somebody on the way. They were saying that this is like, sometimes this is what happens. So she was like, nah, that's y'all neighbors in the backyard. They beekeepers. She said it happened to them. She was like, you got out.
My hand is super bad, Kevin.
Good job. You can do it. Good job, Sam.
I'm a super bad cameraman.
Yeah.
That's like a
It's
pocket.
too much. They can't never keep up with all that stuff. So, yeah. But let me call you back when they finish. All right, love you. Bye.
If you be quiet for a sec, you can hear the. I can hear it.
I think they pissed him off. He gonna. I brought the lad halfway. He said, it's all right. Go ahead and bring it halfway. Look at me. Oh my goodness. They let him out. They all in his hair. Look at.
He been doing this a long time. He just is calm.
They done pissed him off.
You know, I think he don't just broke up the house, so now they looking for somewhere to go. Cause see how they come onto that box.
Mm-hmm. They better ask me for help on this one. That stool gonna sit out there for a while, y'all.
Why? Dad. One's almost its way in.
Where?
Right there.
Shane, that's in the screen.
Mm-hmm.
There go the queen.
If they get that queen, they good. Cause they're gonna go where the queen go. Now look at the nosy ass neighbor. Now she want to stick her damn head over the fence.
What's she talking about?
I couldn't hear what she said. Chad, he was getting them. He just digging in there, just in the middle of all of them, like. She better not be telling him they want him back.
No.
Is that the bee book?
But you see how comfortable she was with coming right on out?
Who?
The neighbor.
Yeah.
I smell something smell like bacon.
Probably that smoke.
Yeah, it smells good. But not healthy.
Is she still back there?
Nah, she went back in the house.
She walked away.
Huh?
She walked away. Do I need to go somewhere else?
You alright? You ain't going nowhere. Ain't nobody leaving this house till these bees get gone.
Now they stand at their back door.
Looking out. Probably thinking we should have got them before they got here. Nosy ass. All of them looking out, just her.
Just her and her husband.
They must be all going in there.
Is that your fence or is that her fence?
Oh, it's ours. Remember we had to replace it?
Oh yeah, so why is she on your fence?
She wasn't on. She just looked over. And actually, we got more they are. We supposed to. She told me that.
Oh, I thought that she told you that they got more of our.
We have. She said you can look at, because if you look, like when I'm out there cutting grass. Here, Shane, hold it. I go. Just hold this right here. What's up, Mom? Yeah.
I wanted to find out if she can legally have
That's
these.
what I
Yeah,
was getting ready
and
to ask
she
her.
just
Oh man, you really got them.
bro, like it was real bad. I took the video.
Yeah, because last year we had a get together.
Yeah.
All the kids out back, we were barbecuing. The bees
Whoa.
come over, and then she was just like, "Oh well, you got sugars outside." Well,
Bro, like
this
it
kid's
was
playing.
two huge mounds like dripping down. I mean, they done got most of them in a box.
Oh man.
And then they nosy ass gonna reach over the fence. I didn't know they would harvest bees over there.
Yeah, she said something about it last year, but like we got like 5, 10 of them. You got.
Yeah, we had
You might as well be
I'm
raising them yourself, huh?
It was a phone. I'm sure the video.
Talia sent me a picture. She's like, "Look out our balcony at Shane's," and I'm like, "Okay, I don't see nothing." Then she told me. But
I told her.
I ain't going out there right now to ask the question.
Yeah, I want to ask them too once they get out, because I'm kind of like I'm allergic to bees. I don't really fuck with them at all. So
So I told her, I was like, "I'm allergic to them." She's like, "Oh, I got an EpiPen."
yeah, exactly.
Good for you.
Right.
Oh, damn.
But yeah, the
And-
way she came out when I figured that is the case that she probably does have them because she just came right on.
And the
out.
thing
Everybody else
is,
was
I have
like,
him taking out the trash. Like, you know, I would have never knew that was out there until she went upstairs and seen it. And I was like, what if he'd been out there taking out trash or playing in the backyard?
Yeah, she's got a little house right over in that
we
corner.
can't see it. 'Cause
Yeah.
If you go on your balcony, you can see it.
I was looking out, but I think it's so close to the gate, I can't look.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, man. I mean, it was like a crazy swarm. Like, it was like locusts. And they was like 2 huge males. They didn't wear nothing. He just walked out here, put his hands in the middle of them.
These guys don't care. So what did you do? You just called the city?
I just called the city. I Googled it, and they was like what was it called? Bees?
National Beekeepers
Yeah.
Association.
I was trying to get ready to go to the gym when I
They
seen that. I
said
was
we
like,
need
oh.
them, but
Yeah, we're getting ready to go to the gym too, but
this is
yeah.
crazy.
Like, I understand you want to raise bees and make honey. That's something you do in the country, not on,
Yeah,
not on a
exactly.
cul-de-sac.
Well, I found out when we first moved in, she told me that they breed rabbits and feed them to their dogs and shit. And I was like, I thought it was kind of weird, but you know, I'm like, whatever. As long as they don't bother me, I don't care what you do over there.
Yeah.
And then one day, it was a couple of rabbits in front of my door, so I called the people to come get them. The cop or the people, they called the cops and they called the, what people come get the animals?
Animal.
Yeah, they animal control, whatever. So we go over there. They got birds, they got cats, they got dogs. I mean, it's like, what the hell y'all doing? And then I found out they got bees too.
Yeah. Yeah, we finally met them after like 4 years of being neighbors with them.
Right.
When I was working on the house last year, they came over and talked to me. They're like, yeah, we're going to do the siding. We're going to do this. And the ones next to them have known them longer. They're like, yeah, they say that every year, and they do just enough to keep the
Oh,
city
okay. From
getting
being on them. Yeah.
That's why they did the white trim.
And they actually did the roof last year, I think. I remember them
Yeah.
on the roof doing it.
All their cedar, they had holes, and the squirrels were living inside
Oh,
of it.
man.
And they're like, yeah, we're doing the siding. Blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I didn't, see, it caused a risk for me. Like I said, I'm allergic. Shane be out there playing sometimes.
Let me know.
Yeah, I
if they're
definitely, you know.
legally allowed to.
Cause I'm gonna ask them, and then you know I'm gonna call the city too, cause I can't do this all spring and summer.
Yeah. Like I said, you got it worse because it's right on the
Yeah, it's
other
right.
side.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just had a barbecue, kids playing, and bees coming over and said something to her about it. She's like, well, you just don't have any sweet stuff outside.
What?
No,
Yeah.
yeah, no.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I live here, right?
This is my yard. We're having a barbecue. I'm going to tell a bunch of kids they can't have nothing to drink?
But I mean, the audacity in itself, like, yeah, you can't have any sweet stuff at your house, like,
Yeah.
cause
Stuff they probably shouldn't be doing.
There's no way they're going to be able to collect all those things.
Oh, they collected a lot of it though.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Yeah,
But,
but yeah, I don't think they'll get all. Yeah,
How many more does she have on the other side of the fence?
yeah, that I don't know.
Because I've looked through the holes in the fence. I mean, it's a tall house. It's
Yeah, yeah,
probably 1,000 bees inside that thing. Yeah, these guys are braver than me.
yeah. Oh yeah, they definitely burned me. He asked, could they get the food store? I said, yeah, I'm gonna bring it to you halfway. So, I don't miss no bees.
Yeah. Last time I got stung, I was out in the morgue. I got stung right here and it swelled up. I put ice on it. I went to the hospital. I was like, hey, I'm allergic to bees. They're like, oh, it's local. And then I went up here and this side. I
Yeah.
couldn't put my arm down.
Yeah.
Went across my chest this side. I went back to the hospital like this. I was like, they're like,
Right
what happened?
answer
I was like, I
though?
told you I was allergic. They're like, oh, yeah, here, let's give you a shot. I'm like, hey, thanks.
Yeah, last time I got stung, I got hit here, and it swelled my whole. I couldn't see out either eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like we're going around front. I'm going to go ask them if she can legally own
Yeah.
this.
That's crazy.
That's freaking nuts.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, I asked too, 'cause I wasn't know. I'm definitely gonna call it just now. You can read that.
Where are they going?
To go ask them people if the people on the backside of us allowed to have bees.
I can't believe they're going out. I'm pretty sure they're not allowed to have bees. This is crazy. And please don't have no dumb neighbor that have every single animal that's in this world. Thank you. They actually probably have a whale. Gotta be honest. Cats. Get away. Keep your cat from outside before she gets stung. I hear stupid bees. For what you got? No, stop. I don't need that. It's Saturday and I won't be long to do my hair and it's so long. It's Saturday and I won't be long to not hit the and I ain't got, but I got you, baby. Yeah, I know, honey, and I can't do my nothing, I know, Nina. I got it right, nothing. I don't need nobody. And I know. Come on, turn the radio on this Saturday. And I ain't no. No. And I won't be long tonight. Hit the gaza, I got you, baby. Okay, so. Come on. I ain't going out today. They leaving? They leaving?
Yeah, the rest, they'll go away in a little bit. They just need to get the mass amount of them.
I'm tired of holding this phone.
It should be done.